Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to quickly share with you two new rings from Julia Jewelry. This is my second time try their jewelry pieces. So in today's video, I picked the two new rings. One is an engagement ring, one is the wedding band. So we will do the unboxing and try on, show you how it look on me. We will do the unboxing first. So let's open the box. This is how they look like when they come. So here are the two items. So let's open the first one. So the first one, it is the engagement ring called Julia Classic Round Cut Sterling Silver Ring. So how shiny it is. I will insert their official website, the more clear you can see. I love the design, very unique, very classic, and very sparkly. So this is without the lighting. Yeah, you can see how it look on me. And this is with lighting. I turn on the light and you can see it's very shiny and very nice. I feel very comfortable to wear. I choose a size 7 and it fit perfect for my swollen finger. How pretty it is, right? Okay, let's do the second unboxing. So the second one I choose, it is the wedding band, which is to pair with this engagement ring. It's called Julia Simple Channel Set Sterling Silver Woman Band. And this one, actually I have an exactly same one but use a diamond. So I can, use as an alternative if I go for the travel. I don't want to lose it, so I can wear this one. It is very beautiful. I love it so much. You can wear individual or you can pair with the engagement ring. This is without the lighting. This is under the lighting, so you can see it's a very shiny and sparkly, very beautiful ring. So now let me just put it on together. You can see how it look together. Right now, Julia is partnering with the National Breast Cancer Foundation Inc. to spread awareness, provide service for women in need and save life through the earlier detection. $2 per unit sale of each product from their collection will be donated to National Breast Cancer Foundation. And here is the outside. It's the natural lighting. You can see how beautiful it is. Right? So therefore, I highly recommend please check out their website, supporting them. And at the same time, I will link their official website, those two rings that I pick, including a 15% of the coupon code that they give to me. If you want to purchase their product, you can use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.